For this problem, 9 out of 10 kids would simply guess the answer. Let's take a closer look at the question. The problem tells us that 2 circles plus 1 square equals 8, and it also states that 2 squares plus 1 circle equals 7. We need to figure out what the circle and the square represent, respectively.
For problems of this kind, if you group them and handle them together, it becomes quite straightforward. Now, let's take a good look, shall we? I've noticed that the left side of these two equations, when combined, forms 3 squares and 3 circles, doesn't it?
Alright, so what I'm going to do next is add these two equations together. We'll add the left sides and then the right sides. Let's start by adding up the left side first. As we just discussed, that's 3 squares plus 3 circles, right? So if we combine the right side, that's 8 plus 7, which makes 15, correct? Alright, now let's take a closer look at this. We have 1 square plus 1 circle, then another square plus another circle, and finally 1 more square plus 1 more circle.
I'm going to consider this entire circle that I've drawn here as one single group. So doesn't that mean we have 3 such groups in total? If 3 groups add up to 15, then what would one group be equal to? Isn't 15 divided by 3 simply 5? Therefore, 1 square symbol plus 1 circle symbol is equal to 5. Now, what exactly is the purpose of knowing this? Let's go ahead and substitute this value into our very first equation. You see, don't these two elements combined together just make 5? We literally just finished calculating that, didn't we?
Alright, so if the circle plus 5 equals 8, now tell me, what do you think the circle should be? Well, doesn't 8 minus 5 just naturally equal 3? So the circle's value must be 3.
Okay, so pay attention. The circle here equals 3, and the square plus 3 equals 5. So tell me, what does the square equal? Doesn't the square just equal 2, right?
Alright, so for this problem, the circle equals 3 and the square equals 2. That's correct.